Have you ever wondered if there's an age limit to using a Paysafe card? It's a common question, especially for young adults and teenagers who want to make online purchases. In this video, we'll explore the age restrictions and guidelines surrounding Paysafe card usage. Let's dive in. Paysafe is a popular online payment method that offers a safe and secure way to make transactions. It's widely used for various purposes, including online gaming, shopping, and even gambling. But before you can start using a Paysafe card, it's essential to understand the age requirements. Age restrictions. The age limit for using a Paysafe card can vary depending on the specific country or region. However, there are some general guidelines that apply to most places. Minimum age. In many countries, the minimum age to purchase and use a Paysafe card is 18 years old. This is to comply with age-related laws and regulations. Parental consent. If you're under 18, you may need parental consent to obtain and use a Paysafe card. This is to ensure that minors are using the card responsibly and with parental supervision. Regional variations. It's important to check the specific age requirements in your country, as there may be regional differences. You can find this information on the Paysafe website or by contacting their customer support. Factors affecting age limits. Several factors can influence the age limits for Paysafe card usage. Local laws and regulations. Each country has its own laws governing online payments and age restrictions. These laws can vary significantly from one place to another. Card issuer policies. The specific card issuer may have additional age requirements or restrictions in place. These policies can vary depending on the issuer and the type of Paysafe card. Online service providers. Some online services may have their own age restrictions for using Paysafe cards. This is particularly true for gambling and age-restricted content. Tips for young users. If you're under 18 and want to use a Paysafe card, here are some tips. Get parental consent. Obtain permission from your parents or legal guardians before purchasing or using a Paysafe card. Understand the risks. Be aware of the potential risks associated with online transactions, including fraud and scams. Set spending limits. Establish a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending. Monitor your account. Regularly check your Paysafe account balance and transaction history to ensure that everything is in order. Alternatives for minors. If you're unable to use a Paysafe card due to age restrictions, there are other options available. Prepaid debit cards. Many banks offer prepaid debit cards that can be used for online purchases. These cards often have lower age limits than Paysafe cards. Gift cards. Gift cards from popular retailers can be used for online shopping. However, they may have limitations in terms of where they can be used. Parental supervision. If you're under 18, you can ask your parents or guardians to make online purchases on your behalf using their own payment methods. The age limit for using a Paysafe card can vary depending on your location and the specific card issuer. In most cases, the minimum age is 18 years old. If you're under 18, you may need parental consent or explore alternative payment options. Remember to use Paysafe cards responsibly and be aware of the potential risks associated with online transactions. Do you have any questions about Paysafe card age limits or online payments in general? Feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.